Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce to you the accessories of our roof tent, the shower room. The total height of the package is 40 centimeters, the width is 12 centimeters, and the length is 20 centimeters. It is very small and can be easily placed in the car. How do we use the shower room? This requires the use of the guide rails at the bottom of our tent and the standard rings. First, we installed the rings in the chute at the bottom of the tent, and in the outermost chute, one ring at each corner. We took out the shower room and saw that there are 4 S-shaped quick hanging buckles on the top of the shower room, and we hung the quick hanging buckles on the ring. In windy weather, we can drive ground nails into the rope holes at the bottom 4 corners of the shower room. In this way, we can directly enter the shower room and use it. When we unzip the zipper, we can see that its fabric is completely blackout. When you turn on the light in the shower room to take a bath, it will not reveal your figure, which is a protection for privacy. There are fabrics on the 5 sides of this shower room, and fabrics on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about being blown by the wind when taking a bath. The 4 corners of the bottom have drainage holes, and the water from the shower can be drained directly. When we open the zipper on the other side, we can go directly into the car, which is very convenient. There are storage pockets inside the shower room for our items. The guide rails at the bottom of the tent can be used to place shower lights or showers through the installation ring. In addition, our shower room can be used in both directions. We can hang it upright or upside down. When hanging upside down, we need to remove the S-shaped quick-release buckle and install it on the rope ring at the bottom. When hanging upside down, the bottom is empty, so it can be used as a shower room or a mobile toilet. You can choose freely, very convenient.